Hey guys, how's everyone doing? I wanted to come on here to show you guys how to create a form inside of ClickUp. You know, I've been using Google Forms to collect information, and then I've been setting up Zaps to go into ClickUp, and I was like, this isn't working. And also I've run out of free Zaps, so I don't want to have to upgrade my Zapier. I realized that I could set up these forms inside of ClickUp, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I am in the library working, so I'm going to try not to be too loud. But if you're interested in learning how to create forms in ClickUp, I hope you find this helpful. Okay, I'm going into my ClickUp account, and I have this template lead tracker. So there's nothing in it right now, but I wanted to create some forms. So forms could be used for testimonials, for example, or market research. So maybe for your leads, you actually want to create a market research form, and you can have that information go right to this lead folder or one of your lists. So these forms do actually save as tasks, and you can see right here it says select, which list that this information is saved to. So I can select that there. Right now it's going to my lead tracker, but I could put another list in here, like let's put market research. Okay, so now I have this list here. If I go to leads, I actually added this view up here, which is the form view. And you do have to have the unlimited version of ClickUp. So you do have to have the paid version in order to get this. But it's a really great feature if you do have that unlimited account. So if I wanted those market research forms to be here, it's fine to have it up here in the folder, but it kind of makes more sense to me to have the form in this actual list. So I'm going to go to that list and click form and then add view. And now I can give it a name, market research, and a description. And then I can start dragging fields to it. So right here, we have some custom fields or the task fields. So task name, I might add that and just have it be the person's name. So I'm going to put name and make it required. So this is where they will enter their name, and the task will say their name at the top. And then we can also add an attachment if we want them to upload something, or if we want to have some custom fields, we can come here and click add custom field, and we can choose what we want it to be. So for example, it could be text, like what's the name of your business? And we can create that. It's right here, so then we just have to drag it over, and we can make it required or not. So that's one question. We could also have a text area for longer text. So describe what your biggest business struggles are. And you can add that there again and make it required. You just have to drag it over. Okay, so that's how you add these fields. You have some more things here. So you have, phone, website, email, drop downs, check boxes, and so on. So those are helpful to use. And then over here, you can assign this task to someone, so you can get an alert when when someone, fills this out. But you do have to upgrade for that. And then you could also redirect them somewhere if you upgrade, change the colors. All of this is stuff you need to upgrade in order to get. And then this as well, you do have to upgrade in order to customize these forms and add an image here. But if you only need something really basic, this is really neat to set up. So if I want to view this, I can click view, and that's what it looks like. If I want to actually share it with someone, then I will get this direct link. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to fill in my info so you can see everything, what it looks like. So if I click submit, it says, thank you, your submission has been received. And if I go back here to my ClickUp, this information that I just filled out should show up here. And there it is. So as you can see, it populated into this list, market research, because that's what I have set up here when I go to edit the form. Okay. And it has my name because that was the field that I put for the task field. And then when I go inside, I can see those custom fields. So I can see what's your biggest struggle in your business and what's the name of your business. And then anything else, which actually this is from a different form. But this information is here, so I can view it, I can reference it, it's organized. I could also do other things with this, like add a sheet or, organize it with the boards. But it's really nice to have this, especially if you only need a really simple form and you want all your information stored in one place. So I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know.